Alright, this is the random picker for the homework assignments. Homework number 1 had 10 questions, so I will grade. Question 4. Homework number 2 had 10 questions, so I will grade question number 8. Alright, homework number 3 had 7 questions, so I will grade number 4. Alright, homework number 4 had a two-part one. First one deals with the country and the responsibility for the July crisis, so I will look at France. Alright, and the date of the July crisis that I will grade for your homework will be July 5th. There it is. That's what I'm grading for mini unit 1 for IB history for the 4 assignment.